Hi, I'm Chef Jenny from Fisher & Paykel. Today we're showcasing our new modular cooktops. The great thing about the modular cooking surface is that you can really pick and choose and customize your own kitchen surface. What I'm working with here today is a Teflon plate, and then I also have our 24-inch induction cooktop. We're gonna sear some steak, and then I'm gonna make a pasta and a little pepper sauce go over the pasta. Now, the most amazing thing about using induction is that you can get water boiling in about 2 minutes. So it saves you a lot of time while you're cooking. All I do is press the level of heat that I want it at. So I'm gonna go to B for boost, and I'm just gonna scroll to get it up to temp. Now I want this pretty hot because I'm gonna do a sear, so I'm gonna put it at 390 degrees. And you can see here with the preheat, you can see kind of the process of the temperature, and you'll know how close we are to getting it to temp. If you want to experience our modular cooking system in person, you can visit us at any Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center located in Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.